Now let me. All right. So everyone's having a good time out here. Pretty soon we're gonna have a lunch break, and there's a bunch of food inside the pavilion. And we're gonna break bread, and then we're gonna come out here and get as much done as we can. We probably won't get any vegetables in the ground today, but we will at least get all of. Here comes the drone again. Right above me. I don't know if you can see the drone above me. It's gone now. But anyway, we'll at least get the perennials and all our insect attractors and pollinators. We'll get those planted. Oh, so I keep covering that. But another thing I want to let you know is if you want to design your backyard or your property into a regenerative, perennial, edible landscape and have food growing on your property, your land, your backyard with little to no maintenance, once you have your bushes and trees and plants reach maturity, like I said, they're perennials. So perennials die off, well, not die off, they go to sleep in the fall and they wake up in the spring. And you don't have to do anything. Nature takes care of that. But call me, 612-990-5345, or visit foodforestdesign.solutions. Again, foodforestdesign.solutions. And drop me a note in the contact form on what you would like to do with your backyard. I mean, we can do anything, from your small raised bed gardens, annual gardens, to a very scalable, intelligently designed food forest with food growing everywhere. We take advantage of all the space and plant as much food that we can in the space. But we also do water catchment systems. We do compost bins, greenhouses, everything to do with growing food. We do design like no other landscape design companies do what we do. They design regular landscapes. We design food producing, regenerative, edible landscapes that provide you and your family food for generations to come. But anyway, get a hold of me, Travis, at foodforestabundance.com is my email address. I will have my new email address as soon as I get everything switched over to my new company name. We will no longer be Food Forest Abundance Minnesota. We'll be foodforestdesign.solutions. And yeah, that's it. But get a hold of me and let's design Garden of Eden in your backyard. Grow food, not lawn, my friends. Have an amazing day.